everyone, and welcome to our Florist Review Weekly How-To video. My name is Lori McNorton, and today I want to share with you these beautiful, beautiful cherry blossom branches. So one of the main things is making sure that you have fresh water with your preservative. That will make your flowers last longer. And they'll continue to bud out, and that's kind of what you're wanting. And even the greenery will continue to bud. So this is a piece that I've cut off. And another very important thing is when you're using the woody stemmed branches, be sure to cut them with a very sharp utensil, because again, that preserves the life. So we're just going to place these in the water and cut it at a slant. Now we can leave it as simple as that. I mean, that's gorgeous, and that alone would be enough on a table. But we are going to add some of these beautiful roses. They're called Cumbia, C-U-M-B-I-A. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And really, I'm going to use the roses down closer to the opening of the container, because I don't want to take away from any of the branches themselves. All right, one more, and then I think that'll make a beautiful collar of roses around our container. Very simple arrangement, but lots of movement, lots of air, beautiful color. And sometimes that's what it's all about. Just simple and beautiful. And there we have it. How easy was that? Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to join us again next week. Thank you and have a great day.